car wash soap now comes in this type of packaging. What? Car wash sheets. Are they really that good? Is it practical? Does it make sense? Let me tell you what I think. So here's the glove box for February. It came with some pretty standard products, like some really nice microfibers. Oh yeah, and ignore all of this. I have a lot of stuff to go through. A pretty standard glass cleaner. A new product from P&S that was a collaboration with Jamie the Cleaner called Clean Maker. And this. These are weird. Car wash soap sheets. What? So if you want to get your hands on a February box, you can try one for yourself. Enter code Miranda20 or Miranda30 and you'll get 20 or 30% off. I forget which one, but go and check those out. So this is what I'm talking about. Car wash sheets. These dissolve in water. So you have these really thin sheets. They're perforated, as you can see. Now, if you have ever had steakums, if you know what those are, this is like the car wash version of steakums. Basically, you make steak and cheese, and there's these sheets just like this of dehydrated beef. Whether it's real or fake, I don't know and don't really care because I think it's delicious, but that's just me. The steakums of car wash soap. Weird. And another thing about these is that they are eco-friendly. Yeah, interesting. Now for foam cannon, the directions here say 1 sheet for minimal foam, 2 sheets for medium, 3 sheets for ultimate foam. Tear the sheets at the perforated line. So 1 entire sheet will go into here. So I'm gonna put 2. I'm only filling this halfway, so it should deliver some pretty thick foam. And if I need to add another sheet, I will. And I guess be careful not to get these sheets wet. I would put them in a plastic bag if you're keeping them stored in your mobile rig, because if this all gets wet, they all will dissolve. You can even scan the code here for more directions if you want. And these will start dissolving in your hands if your hands are wet. Oh, they dissolve pretty quickly though.
So do you want to win a free glove box for yourself? Well, then you'll want to watch this video all the way to the end, because we're going to be giving one away.
Okay, so far, the foam is impressive. And it smells delicious. So only 2 sheets, probably even if I filled up the foam cannon, it would produce some really, really good foam, as you can see. Not bad. Well, all of the cleaners did a great job. The shampoo sheets did a great job. The foam didn't have the greatest staying power, but you know, that's not really a big deal. It seemed to have plenty of lubrication. It did foam up really, really well with just 2 sheets. The wheel and tire cleaners from Suds Lab worked really well. The bug and tar remover worked well. And the iron remover also was very, very fast acting, and it reacted to those iron particles really fast, dissolving them. New drying towels from Suds Lab, smaller versions. Excellent. I love these. Now, if you prefer, you could use a drying aid, drying the vehicle, but we're going to protect it after. And these towels are nice and soft. But if you are concerned about that, then here's an option. The new P&S Clean Maker, the collaboration between P&S and Jamie the Cleaner. So you can spray this on. This will add lubrication and also a little bit of protection onto the vehicle, as well as just make the whole area smell delicious. And I can actually feel the difference. It does add that lubrication, so if you are worried about that, if you have sensitive black soft paint or dark colored soft paint, then use something like this to add the lubrication. And for maintenance details, it adds protection. And for these types of details, which are the initial details, it's going to put protection on there, but we're going to go back over it anyway with another form of protection. Is it going to mess with that other form of protection? Not really. All of these types of products really work synergetically together. Synergetically? They work nice together. They work goodly together. So you really don't have to worry about that as much anymore. Some people overthink that. They think, oh, you're putting a layer on there, now the other layer of protection is not going to stick to that first layer. Yeah, well, don't worry about that. What are you laughing at? Me no words, goodly. Oh man, you gotta try this stuff.
I smelled it.
Yeah? Did you dealt it? No, I dealt it. You smelt it. Now, we didn't install these. These were already on the truck. They need to come off. Usually this type of door edge protection is temporary. A few years, depending on how much usage it gets and how often the vehicle is cleaned, because dirt will build up. So we remove these with a heat gun, a little bit of Vonix Strike residue remover, and easy peasy. Nice and clean. We can reinstall them, but the customer doesn't want it at this point. So for our main protection, we're going to use a new product from Suds Lab. And we're going to use the towels. Oh, these are nice. They're twisted loop. They could have been used as drying towels, but I'm going to use this as application towels. They're really thick. Wow. Generally, I do like to wash towels before I use them, but most of the times they're fine. So let's use them without washing. I'm not going to worry about it this time. But I do think it's a good idea to do that. We're going to use the new Suds Lab graphene spray coating. Now, am I a big believer in graphene? I don't know. I haven't really seen it make a difference. It's just another ingredient. It's another type of ceramic that can be used. And they claim they have other attributes, but that can't really be quantified in the real world, so I'm not gonna really worry about it. It says up to 9 months protection. As long as it's slick, glossy, and beads water and it makes it easier to clean, that's all I care about. So I'm gonna spray this onto the towel, kind of prime the towel really well, and let's go panel by panel. It feels really good. It feels very, very slick. So on that front, I think, yeah, oh, it feels nice. Okay, that's good. And if you want, you can spray it onto the vehicle. I like to mist it on, but I just feel spraying it onto the towel has more control. Wifey may disagree with me, but I'm the one doing this right now, so. So if you guys want to try out your own glove box for February, you can win a free box. All you need to do is go watch this video and like it, comment on it, share it, do as much as you can. There's no way I can really keep track of it, but hashtag it Detail Glove Box in your comments. And I will go to that video and choose the winner in a couple of days.